it is Jack and welcome to a new video today. I want to show you guys how I afford all of my gear. So I actually have done this video before, but the video's got a lot of views and I really want everyone to see it, yet it's not that great of a video. So I thought it would be nice to kind of do a 2.0 version. Basically, the short answer to this question is that I do magic shows for kids. So I do birthday parties and carnivals and things like that. And using the money I make from that is how I get cameras and lights and things like this for my videos. But we gotta go, we gotta hit the road because it is literally blizzarding outside. Alright, so this is where I'm going to be setting it up. You can see the kids are really piling in right now. Alright, here we go. Last. And that is the order of the chocolate. Alright guys, show just ended. Thank you, I'm so glad you enjoyed the show. Alright, great show. I should probably turn off this music or else I'll get a copyright strike. But we gotta go, I gotta clean all this up. Alright, we're all good. I think we're gonna hit the road. Thank you so much. Ooh, it is so cold. Good show though, they were nice, good people. We're stuck in our driveway. Literally, this is our house. We're so close to the garage, but we can't get in.
I'm not in waterproof shoes. I don't even have coat. Just go.
Go? So we still can't pull the car into the driveway. Literally stuck in our own driveway.
See, now I'm gonna make sure no one takes my car. Now you see why I hate driving in the snow?
Right? I made it into the driveway. Oh, look who's coming now. Of course, perfect timing.
That was bad timing.
Oh, it's good timing.
I had to shovel myself in. I always get stuck in my own driveway.
No, it is. It's the asphalt.
I showed my son how to shovel himself out if ever necessary, so.
Okay, despite the getting stuck in the driveway situation, I hope you enjoyed this quick vlog. But before I end the vlog, this is the most fun part of getting home. Letting Georgia Peaches out. Come on out. Georgia, come on out. You are such a good girl.